What computer science is, it's a way to impact the world.
I was exposed to computer science courses as early as 6th grade.
Like when I was 9.
When I was 13.
4th grade.
I was 11.
It was cool from the beginning for them. They were showing other classes they were doing this, they were showing their friends, they were showing their families.
We integrated science with this programming, and I saw my scores go up 30%.
It's foundational for any type of work.
When I grow up, I want to be a music writer on the computer.
What do you want to be when you grow up, Olivia?
And I do programming.
An astronaut?
For a newer teacher that hasn't had the experience with it, once you see it being used and see the successes that the kids have, you wouldn't want to not have it in your class.
The skills, the way of thinking, the problem-solving pieces that they learn in those classes, they'll be able to use in mathematics and science and even in the English language arts.
You guys have a couple sets of tools that everyone else hasn't learned yet.
We designed the Code.org courses to feel like a game. You're writing simple code to solve puzzles to get to the next level. And these puzzles even use real game characters like Angry Birds. And the programming uses visual blocks instead of typing, which is how introductory programming is taught at leading universities these days, because it's easier for the kids to get started.
This program got 100% of my students engaged and involved in participating.
Nice work, you guys.
This is so fun.
At first I was like, kids, 4th graders, coding, really? Are we sure we want to go there?
The learning is still there. The information is not changing. Our students have changed, and we as teachers need to change along with that. Which challenge are you taking on? But if we take on the challenge and do it, I can only imagine where our kids are going to be tomorrow.
Have you done it before?
Yes, it's cool.
Is it really fun?
Yes.
You love it?
And my school's doing it. Yes, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's working. I did it right.
I love Code.org as an organization and as a curriculum.
Oh my gosh! Whoa! It has to move 3 steps. That's to turn right, and then it has to go straight again.
They're not just doing programming, they're actually using it to express what they've learned in math and reading and our normal curriculum.
Put this side adjacent to this one.
You need to change that. That's the main thing. Oh yeah! Go, Olivia, go!
Just the other piece about learning how to think. I mean, how do we go wrong here? You know, I don't know that we do.
Go learn the code, it's super fun, come on. Alright, once it's loading, I'm gonna teach you.
Programming is fun and pretty easy. You can do anything your mind wants to do.
I guess I'd like to encourage administrators and teachers to just be open to the idea, because I know that initially I was skeptical.
If it's something engaging and it's something fun for them and it builds these critical thinking and problem solving skills, then we're only setting them up for success, and we should be using it.
I feel pretty passionate about making sure that we're equipping our kids with a real tool set when they leave K through 12 education.
And that's part of our task, is to educate students that, you know what, computer science is not for them over there or somewhere else. It's for you here now.
Computer science has disrupted entire industries. It's changed the way we think, it's changed the way we communicate, it's changed the way we work, and it has the opportunity to change the way we teach students.
And having even a little bit of grounding in computer science can help you think about the world differently.
And getting past that initial fear of what computer science is what's going to change the whole field of computer science.
Computer Science Discoveries is a year-long computer science course that covers hardware and how computers work. It covers some web development, how do websites get made, how do they get published. You get to do some programming with video games. We talk about socially impactful areas of computer science.
Well, it's fun because a lot of the time you get to collaborate with other people, and you also get to get some insight on other people's ideas.
You can do a lot of creativity stuff, so if you're a creative person, you might like it too.
And it always helps you with your life, no matter what you're doing. Computer science is always there.
It's about the meaning of the work, like changes that you actually want to see in the world, or fun that you want to have, or beauty that you want to experience.
Through the act of making something simple,
you're learning all these lessons that you're going to be able to use to make really anything that you want.
There are a lot of challenges along the way, but it's pretty satisfying in the end where you get to just stand back and look at what you've done.
And choosing to be a part of this is a big deal.
It really helps. It's just like a skill to have. Like instead of saying I don't know how to do it, you can say I do know how to do it.
It's pretty amazing when you start building something that you want, it can help change a lot of people's lives as well.
And having even a little bit of grounding in computer science can help you think about the world differently, whether that's algorithms or whether that's just creativity.
Computer Science Principles covers lots of topics, not just programming and coding. We cover bits and binary, we cover how the internet works, how security works, how data is collected and used and shared. And all of these things help you get a better understanding of how the world works.
Now I understand why my phone is so slow.
I thought computer science was just for really, really smart, nerds, geeks, but it's not at all. It's for everybody, and I think it's something that everybody should learn.
In the new economy, computer science isn't an optional skill, it's a basic skill.
I just think it's important moving forward in the future that everybody learn it, especially kids.
I didn't know what I was getting myself into, but once I had my friends around, I knew if they could do it, I can do it. So it's really brought my confidence up in other classes as well.
Oh, okay. If you use Snapchat and Instagram and you want to know how that works, take Computer Science Principles. Make an app yourself. See how you can share these things with your friends.
Being able to code gives you the freedom to build anything. And that is just so empowering.
We're doing a lot of teamwork, group work, doing work on paper, not just always on the computer.
And then when I say go, we're going to exchange IP addresses without talking. And I want everybody's IP address.
Some of the kids that maybe don't fit in a normal classroom, they have an opportunity to kind of try different things and different techniques and different mindsets.
It feels more like a puzzle, and you get to take your own route and find a solution.
I feel like this class is one of the only classes that challenges me. That I feel you know what, I got this. This is good.
Computer science isn't just about math or computers. If you're interested in designing things, creating things, solving problems, then this class is for you.